Welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to close tabs to the right in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to close tabs to the right in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly, open Chrome browser. After tab, right click and here option close tabs to the right. Click on close tabs to the right. That is. Again, right click tabs and click on close tabs to the right. So all tab is close tabs to the right. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to close tabs to the right in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.